Let's talk about idioms with cake. Our first idiom is piece of cake. If something is a piece of cake, it is very easy. Let's look at an example. Oh, I can't figure out how to add music to this TikTok. Oh, that's a piece of cake. I'll show you. Our second cake idiom is the icing on the cake. And this means something that makes a good thing even better. Let's look at an example. The two last-minute goals were just icing on the cake in an already amazing game. We can also use this expression in a sarcastic way to mean the opposite of a good thing. For example, I could say, well, I already lost my job, so missing my train home was just icing on the cake. Our last cake idiom is probably our most complicated one. It has a couple slightly different definitions. So our idiom is to have your cake and eat it too. And this means to have two good things happen at the same time, or to have two good things happen at the same time, and these two things don't normally happen together, or they can't happen together. For example, let's say that your friend loves dogs, just loves dogs, and she just got a job as a professional dog walker. So now she gets to spend all day with dogs. So she gets to have her cake and eat it too. And you can also say that she's got the best of both worlds. We can also use this expression in the negative to say you can't have your cake and eat it too. And this is when you can't have both things. You can't have the best of both worlds, right? You can't have it both ways because once you finish your cake, it's gone. For example, let's say that you want your gym to invest in new workout equipment, right? Some new top of the line workout equipment, but you don't want to pay any more for your monthly fees. Well, this is just trying to have your cake and eat it too, and you can't. You just can't. That's it for our cake idioms. Let me know in the comments what other idioms you'd like me to talk about. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.